Hi, this is Deidre Brill, and I am speaking about social media app TikTok and how public libraries could potentially use it. Now, the biggest thing is that if your goal as a public library is to know where you can meet teens and young adults halfway in an online space, then this is the app that you need to know about. What is TikTok? Well, it's a social media app that allows users to create and post short videos. And it used to be called Musical.ly. Musical.ly was an app that was created back in 2014 as a platform to produce the short music videos. And it was bought by Chinese company ByteDance in 2016 because of Musical.ly's popularity with teenagers in North America and Europe. They merged it with their own existing app, TikTok, which was popular in Asia, and as of last year, it is all under the single platform of TikTok. So who uses this? Well, there are 500 million users globally per month for TikTok. 26.5 million of them are here in the USA. And it is very youth-oriented. 60% of their monthly active users are between the ages of 16 and 24. It's gained massive popularity, becoming the 16th most popular iPhone app as of last year. So how exactly do you use TikTok? Well, users record videos and they can add a soundtrack from a built-in library of music that is within the app. And it's a library full of popular music, even snippets from movies and TV shows. There can also be effects, text, filters laid in over the images or videos that you create, much like Snapchat or Instagram. It's primarily used for music videos and comedy, and one big popular format is challenges. Challenges come in the form of hashtags, and they allow for creativity within a structured form, meaning that if the user wants to do their own variation of a popular dance or their own version of a lip sync to a popular song, that's how they can do it. And I've got one example right here of the Get Up Challenge. This is currently very popular on TikTok, and it is different dances done all to the song The Get Up by Blanco Brown. So let's go ahead and check it out.
This next part's my favorite part, cause it's time to shine. Gonna do the two-step and cowboy boogie. Grab a sweetheart and spin out with 'em. Do the hold down and get into it. Take it to.
Now, as you can see, videos do not have to be particularly over-directed or highly visually engaging in order to be popular with their users. That particular video has 5 million likes on TikTok. All the videos on TikTok are really used just for fun, and that is because there currently aren't ads seen by all the users, although advertisements are in a beta testing phase. There's also not a lot of political or news content or commentary on TikTok videos right now. And even verified accounts, such as the Washington Post, aren't really pushing their own products or services. They're just participating in videos to show off their staff members for fun, doing challenges just like other TikTok users. So the big question is TikTok right for you and your library? And I have to say, it depends on your social media goals and particularly your time commitment. If you would really like to have a fun way to interact with young patrons, then yes, this could be for you. Benefits are great. You can get insight into youth culture just by checking out TikTok. You don't actively have to post videos in order to be able to use the app. You can download it and simply just view videos, all without even creating an account. So in that way, it can be very easy to learn social media trends. If you do choose to create content, you can do so within the app, but you also have the freedom to record things separately and add them into the app to edit later. However, some cons, this is really time consuming to make interesting videos, and so that's probably the biggest drawback. Also, we have to be really cognizant of privacy since there are so many minors on there. And how will these user demographics change as advertisements come on board? So with that said, I hope you enjoyed this presentation on TikTok and that you enjoyed checking it out.